spot there.
Just that retro futuristic, sophisticated older kicks, my culture rich. Motivated all my foes to quit. And Mobilari, I poked it with my Obelix. Not a chauvinist, but I got something to show for this. I know the risk I took and I don't owe you shit. With the fam, kept it close knit, we got some dough to flip. It's a core ship, move the poker chips accordingly. Don't think we haven't noticed that your man's bit us enormously. For me it's normal shit, what you brag about in songs was just a blip inside my marathon. From Brooklyn to Berry Farms, police is heavily armed. The tone is serious, all forms of levity gone. They say I speak with a celebrity's charm. Recognize the aura, while this music game tries to sexualize your daughter and turn your son into an addict and a killer. Keep the truth tatted on me like a fan of Dilla, doing what I gotta do.
Doing what I gotta do. Doing what I gotta do. Try to take the safe way. Told you that's the gateway to space. Many can find it, but few can climb it. Doing what I gotta do to keep the spot there.
Hey yo, my vocal tone vulgar when I'm sober. Through the heavy burden that I shoulder. At a young age, acted older. Taking out of state trips, had to take from him cause the rich trying to stay rich. I just hit him with the pure logic, no immature comments. Share a jewel like glue gossip, new concepts. Lace up my shoes consciously. With tools for me to conquer, had to move constantly. Kept making real music, built a true economy. Heads listened to my story and they grew fond of me. This is Death Stock, wild bodies dead on the block. And it's incredible, I made it through immeasurable odds. So many frauds, had to dodge them, get the fuck out of Dodge. These niggas talking shit on podcasts, but ducking to God. I don't even believe that luck is involved. I put my head down and work. You see me when you look up at the stars, and it's clear.